Crude oil has seen a massive decline last week when we had expected that yes, the prices are too much divergent from the moving averages. Though the moving averages have crossed over and staying bullish, yes, the chances of a retracement still exist, and that is what has happened. It has eliminated all the gains for last few weeks and has come closer to $81 levels. And in fact, it has breached 81. Now, what to expect from crude oil next week? Is it going to continue towards the bottom of the channel, or we can expect a possible reversal from these levels? Which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy to profit trading crude oil next week. Watch till the Let's start. First, let's have a look at the weekly charts here. See, preceding candle has a very sharp bearish move here. It has left a small wick. This suggests that the possibility of a drop from here for current levels still exist. At the same time, it is also preceded by a reversal indication, a doji candle which suggested that there could be a possible reversal. It has again fallen back within the channels in which it was trading. Now, if you look at the move here, still you can note that if you just connect the dots, it was oil has traded in this bullish channel so long, and now this has breached the channel. This has in fact come out of this bullish channel. At the same time, if you just look at the highs here, if you just connect here the highs and the lows, you will find $80 levels, 79 levels should prove out to be a great support, and I will definitely observe how crude behaves at around 79, 78. If at all, if you see oil breaking below 79, 78 zone next week, certainly more bearishness may prevail, and then I will be looking forward to 76, 74. Though the chances appear to be less, what we can possibly expect is a swing candle where one may expect the lows at around 78, 79, then and a reversal at around 84, 85. Yes, if the prices again stays above 85, certainly you can say that it is trying to reverse, and the bullish momentum may continue from around those levels. Now, if you also note that, see, after the breakout here, you should note that this is the greatest support zone. Earlier we have seen it the resistance. Now this is the support zone here, and this should not be breached. That is what is my expectation. Now let's have a look at the daily. If you look at the daily chart, see, first of all, uh, look at the candle size here. The bearishness getting diminished, and then we have seen an indecision candle here where the candle though closed in green, however it is very much close to a doji levels. Now next week, see, possibly at the beginning of the week itself, we may see slight bullishness where crude may try to break past 82.5 levels, and see, once you see it staying above 82.4, 82.5 zone, certainly one can expect that it is trying to reverse a little. First resistance should be at 84 levels and then at around 86. Now 86 is going to be the first major resistance for oil here, breaking beyond which certainly more and more bullish momentum is going to prevail here. Now if you look closely, see, this was the first breakout here, this is the first breakout, this is the second breakout. So this is how oil has behaved, and it has reversed. Now this is the zone which is going to remain a maximum support zone, because see, after the rally it has retested here, it has covered the most part, and thus at around 78, 80 zone is going to remain a maximum support zone if at all oil continues on the downside from here. Let's also have a look at the month. Now, if you look at the monthly chart, see, higher lows, higher highs, this is still very much respecting it. And the only bearish confirmation once it breaks past the lows of the couple of months back candle, that is at around 78. So yes, if it breaks past this, you can say that there could be grave bearishness, and then we can expect oil to hit the distant bottom here at 74. The chances appear to be less. If you just connect the preceding the bottom here, you will find all the three candles beautifully aligned here. Now this also makes 78, 80 zone as a very good support zone. So again and again I am saying, even if you see it dropping, this zone is going to remain a very good support zone for oil, and a possible retracement or a reversal from these levels can be expected. Else, if you are seeing at 82.5 levels and 83 levels to be breached, more bullish momentum may prevail. I will look forward to 84, then 86, and then possibility of a reversal, complete reversal also exists. Remember, any point of time in the month of October, oil staying above 90, certainly one can say that it is looking forward to $100 levels as well. But For now, it is stayed bearish. It is looking downwards. Now, let's have a look with the help of indicators. If you look at the indicators, the prices are diverging from the 20 period moving average. It has precisely taken the support from close to 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around close to 80.5 $80 levels, below which we can see a potential tendency. Though 78, 880 zone is definitely a good support, but then the potential for it to hit the $50 levels will increase, which is right now at 74, which is again a very good support. If you look at stochastic, this was overbought, and that is why we can see the candle in red and it is starting to look downwards. But at the same time, look at MACD. See MACD starting to converge, and if you note this on the monthly charts, this is the channel in which MACD is trading for oil. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now, after trading in red for months, it is the first time it is trying to converge from the bottom of the channel. Thus, this also suggests that crude still has the bullish momentum here. Either it can consolidate here before looking forward to further up move. Yes, in the coming few months, there could be more bullish momentum prevailing in oil. That is what is my expectation. Right now, it is trying to trade bearish, but it does not mean that it is completely going to crash as of now. The possibility of a reversal will be very strong, if not this month. Though this month also this probability is there, but possibly in next couple of months, if it stays bearish this month itself, we can see it rising back after couple of months. So yes, there is still chances of a reversal. Our stock RSI looking downwards, trying to suggest slight bearishness. Coming to the weekly, on the weekly chart, the prices are too much divergent from the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. We have seen the prices coming close to the 20 period moving average. It has in fact touched the 50 period moving average as well and closed above the 20. This is very important sign here. It has touched the 50 period moving average and trying to bounce back. Now see, possibly next week it can in fact try to trade with slight bearishness before looking forward to a complete rise. But at the same time, one must not forget 78.80 is going to remain a very strong support zone for oil here, and a possibility of a reversal exists from those levels. Look at the crossover in moving averages. It has just crossed over and it has a tendency to continue on the upside from here. Stochastic has dropped vertically. It was trading overbought, and that is why in our monthly review I told you that possibility of a retracement on the downside exists, and that is what has happened. MACD. Now look at MACD. This was trading with extreme divergence. It has converged strongly. Now this was straight bullish rise. It has converged. Couple of candles or maybe a sideways move can be expected before it looks over to achieving the highs here. Yes, it has a potential. It has a tendency that it can continue further on the upside. Only thing is, I will wait if it crosses over and trades with divergence. Chances appear to be less. This is just trying to converge. See what has happened here. The prices converged, then it is started to diverge. Here also slight convergence, then the divergence was seen, and that is what is getting reflected here as well. So possibility for the bullish reversal still exists, and I do expect that. RSI looking vertically down on the weekly charts. Coming to the daily charts, on the daily chart, see one important point is last two candles are completely outside Bollinger Bands, though the width of the Bollinger Band has expanded, but this also increases the chance of a possible retracement on the upside. Now, second thing is after long time, the oil moving averages have started to look downwards. This is a bearish sign, and the prices are staying below the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. That is also a bearish sign here. Now I'll wait. If it crosses over, then you can say further retracement is possible. However, this is still is a conversion, not a crossover. See what has happened here. And even if it tries to cross over, we may see a reversal again in the next few weeks. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold levels. This also calls for a possible rise. Look at the MACD. The MACD traded with sharp divergence, and it has breached this channel which was trading with a double top, and then now see extreme bearishness is seen. The candle size have increased, so possibly next week what we could expect that the oil might trade in green, might trade to reverse, might trade to converge again on the upside. So we can look forward to 86 and in fact beyond levels as well, and hence if you see it is staying above 82.5 5 levels, certainly bullish momentum may prevail. We can look forward to 84 first target, and then it can even try to move towards $86 levels. RSI has dropped significantly, and from here a reversal may be expected. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies such that you can trade profitably. Yes, more precise levels and the daily strategy, you should watch out my daily review which I release with the Asia and Europe session. And yes, before leaving the video also, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Your every like, share, subscribe and comment is a great motivation, inspiration for me and for the community as well to deliver, and it helps me to deliver to the best of my abilities. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And also you can be part of my Signals channel as well as my free Telegram channel. The links are mentioned in the channel and video description. The free Telegram channel also gives you live updates of the market. So join that. Let's start. First, where to buy? Yes, you can buy here at 82.2, 82.5 levels is the first resistance. If it stays above 82.5, I will look forward to, or rather, in fact, why not buy at 82 itself? Yes, you can buy and wait for 82.5 levels, and if it breaks past 82.5, we can look forward to 83.6 and 84 as the next milestone. Yes, this is where the next resistance will come into picture. 84 levels certainly are going to remain a great resistance here. Beyond 84, certainly more bullish momentum may prevail here. Look, sharper the drop calls for a equally good retracement, equally good rise, and that is why I say even if it uh, rises towards 86, we should not be surprised with that. It can call for a sharper reversal here, but beyond 84, certainly we can still look forward to 84.4, 84.9, and then beyond that we can look forward to 86 level. These are the three major milestones. One is closer to 85 and then towards 86. Beyond 86, sky is the limit. It is going to break past the $90 levels in the coming couple of weeks and then resume its upward journey towards $100 levels. This is also very much possible. You have to be watchful. This could be the last attempt of oil towards the bottom and it can possibly bounce back. On the downside, where to now, this is completely on the basis that it is achieved the bottom, but see, the analysis is on the one side. At the same time, the market can continue its journey here, and yes, it will do what it wanted to do. Markets are always supreme because any analysis, also remember, there are two events which happen in markets. One is a buying event and one is a selling event, and both the events takes place based on the data, based on the analysis, and based on the conclusion from the data. And hence, yes, if it continues on the downside, we have first note that yes, if it stays beyond 81.5, we can sell here. 81 definitely very good support, and then 80.6 levels. If it stays below 80.6, the next target is 80, then 79.4, 78.6 and 78. Even if it tries to reach towards 78, I will still not treat oil as bearish, and I will still recommend that the chances of a pullback will remain very strong. It is only below 78 that the chances the bears might try to take over, and it is only below 78. First of all, I do not see it happening next week, but yes, if it does breaks below 78 next week, the chances for it to move towards 74 levels will be very high here. And hence you have to wait and watch at how it behaves at around these levels, because below 78 we can look forward to 76.6, 75 and then 74 levels here. So take your trades accordingly. I will still see 78 as a very good support, and on the upside 86 as a great resistance here. So these levels are going to play a pivotal role for the next week. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch or Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do watch the daily updates for more detailed reviews. Thank you.